Do you crave restaurant-quality pizzas at home but lack the patience or expertise for wood-fired ovens? Do you dream of backyard pizza parties with perfectly cooked pies in minutes? The Ooni Koda 16 gas pizza oven might be the answer to your culinary desires. This user-friendly gas-powered oven boasts impressive speed, exceptional heat retention, and a focus on effortless operation, making it ideal for pizza enthusiasts of all experience levels. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities, potential drawbacks, and overall effectiveness of the Ooni Koda 16 to see if it's the perfect addition to your outdoor kitchen. Blazing fast and efficient, savor restaurant-quality pizzas in 60 seconds. The Ooni Koda 16 prioritizes speed and efficiency without compromising on quality. This gas-powered oven reaches scorching temperatures of up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, a staggering double the heat of a typical home oven. This translates to authentic stone-baked pizzas cooked to perfection in a mere 60 seconds. The preheating time is equally impressive, requiring only 20 minutes to get the oven ready for action. This allows you to spend less time waiting and more time enjoying delicious pizzas with friends and family. Effortless operation, from box to pizza party in minutes. The Ooni Koda 16 lives up to its user-friendly reputation. This oven arrives virtually ready to use straight out of the box. Simply unfold the legs, insert the pizza stone baking board, connect it to a propane gas tank using the included regulator and gas hose, and ignite the gas. With the instant gas ignition feature, you'll be cooking your favorite pizzas in no time. This ease of use makes the Ooni Koda 16 ideal for beginners or anyone who wants a hassle-free pizza making experience. Exceptional heat retention, consistent results, and efficient cooking. The Ooni Koda 16 isn't just about speed. It also prioritizes consistent and efficient cooking. The powder-coated carbon steel shell boasts incredible heat retention, ensuring that your pizzas cook evenly and achieve that coveted crispy crust. This efficient design, combined with the simplicity of gas-powered operation, makes the Ooni Koda 16 an exceptional choice for anyone who wants to elevate their outdoor cooking experiences. Beyond pizza, a versatile addition to your outdoor kitchen, while the Ooni Koda 16 shines in the pizza-making department. Its versatility extends beyond perfectly cooked pies. With the addition of Ooni's cast iron cooking accessories sold separately, you can transform this oven into a multifunctional outdoor cooking appliance. Roast succulent meats, sear vegetables, or even bake delicious desserts. The possibilities are endless. Join the #MakePizza movement, a global community of pizza enthusiasts. Ooni isn't just selling pizza ovens, they're cultivating a global pizza-making movement. Their dedication to making great pizza accessible to everyone is evident in the design and user-friendliness of the Ooni Koda 16. By joining the Ooni community, you'll gain access to a wealth of resources and connect with other pizza enthusiasts, further enriching your pizza-making journey. A few considerations before you buy: gas power and additional accessories. While the Ooni Koda 16 offers a compelling set of features, there are a few factors to weigh before making a purchase. As a gas-powered oven, it lacks the smoky flavor profile that wood-fired ovens offer. However, the speed, convenience, and consistent heat often outweigh this consideration for many pizza enthusiasts. Additionally, the cast iron cooking accessories are sold separately, so you'll need to factor in the additional cost if you want to explore the oven's full versatility. The verdict: a user-friendly powerhouse for speedy and delicious pizzas. Overall, the Ooni Koda 16 gas pizza oven is a strong contender for anyone who craves restaurant-quality pizzas at home without the complexities of wood-fired ovens. The impressive speed, exceptional heat retention, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice. While the gas power source might not appeal to purists, the convenience and consistent results are undeniable. The potential for versatile cooking with additional accessories adds to the oven's overall appeal. If you're looking for a gas-powered pizza oven that delivers exceptional speed, ease of use, and delicious results, then the Ooni Koda 16 is worth considering. Join the #MakePizza movement and impress your friends and family with restaurant-quality pizzas in your backyard. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.